This is the original portable blender, the BlendJet 1. It's perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and margaritas. It travels with you anywhere and is always ready for adventure. BlendJet is surprisingly quiet and USB rechargeable. BlendJet has over 3,000 5-star reviews from over 300,000 customers in 195 countries. And a safety detection feature that prevents accidental activation when the jar is off. It's powerful enough to crush ice. It even cleans itself. It also